Because we scared them. While we were running away.
Sorry, Kion.
Nothing to be sorry about. I ran away too.
And you said the Zimwi wasn't real.
I know. All this time, I wasn't afraid of the Zimwi because I thought it wasn't real. But as soon as I thought it was, I ran away.
I can't believe we got so scared.
Listen, it's okay to be scared. But we're the Lion Guard, and we can't run away.
Kion's right.
Affirmative. Twindeki Boko.
That's what I've been saying all along.
Okay, time to face the Zimwi. Till the Pride lands ends, Lion Guard defend! You don't scare us, Zimwi!
That's right! Get out of the Pride lands! That all you got, Zimwi?
What in the Pride lands?
Hapana! No way!
Lion Guard, get it!
Twindeki Boko.
Lazy Sukazama, Zimwi! Don't hurt us!
Wait, what?
You're not the Zimwi? Wait, so we ran away from two little porcupines?
Looks like it. So did you two hear something scary? And think it was the Zimwi?
Yeah.
Of course. So you huddled together and stuck out your quills to make yourselves look bigger.
Then the rhino saw you like that and thought you were the Zimwi.
And so did we.
Don't feel bad, bestie. I think everyone was so spooked by Rafiki's story, they were ready to believe anything.
Wait a second. What about their ginormous Zimwi body?
Over here. Termite mound.
Termites. Excuse me. We ran up there when the Zimwi, you guys, were chasing us. All this time, the Zimwi was just two little porcupines. See? I was right. It did have two heads.